So one of the major cases that we handled last month had a kidnapping aspect to it. So this was a guardianship over two parents whose son was trying to essentially kidnap them from the nursing home facility that they were staying in. Now, when I say kidnap, I mean that there was already a guardianship proceeding in place where someone had filed for guardianship over his parents, and he tried to, against a court order, take his parents out of the state and not tell the court or his family where he was taking them or what he was going to do with them. What ended up happening was, luckily, one of the siblings came to see me at Morgan Legal Group, and we were able to step in literally the day he came to the facility to pick up his parents and make sure that that court order was enforced and that he was unable to move his parents. Now, this was just the beginning of the story. The ultimate, and this case is still going on, and we're still representing the parties. But the point being here is the person who tried to kidnap his parents, his goal was to take them to a different state without telling the rest of his family where he was putting them, no communication. They would not be able to speak to them. They would not be able to communicate with them. They would have no contact or know where they are. They would not be able to visit them. So essentially, had this client not seen me in time, she could have lost seeing her parents forever, for the rest of her life. The key takeaway here being is guardianship is a very serious matter. And if you let it drag out, this is one of the circumstances where people deal with on a regular basis, where we have a family member that's looking to extort his parents or his grandparents, whether it be for financial reasons or other motivations. In this case, it was purely financial. The person wanted to take them out of state, place them in a different facility, hide them from the rest of the family, execute fraudulent documents, allowing him to access their money and take all the money and run. And had we not stepped in, unfortunately, that would have been the end of that scenario, and he would have accomplished his goals. Luckily, they contacted us in time, and we were able to solve this issue accordingly.